Hello everybody. Thanks everyone for your likes, shares and subscribing my YouTube channel, and those who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and stay tuned for my new videos. So today I am going to show you Gongura chicken. How to make Gongura chicken. It's a very yummy recipe. You like the recipe like anything. It's a Andhra recipe. So the ingredients we need for this is the Gongura. I have washed it and kept. This is chicken, half kg I have taken. 2 green chilies slit, 1 onion chopped, and little ginger garlic paste. And then red chili powder, turmeric powder and rock salt. I generally use rock salt for the curries. So these are the ingredients we are going to use for the recipe, and oil also. So let us see how to make it. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add the onions and green chilies. Stir it well. Once the onion became little pinkish, now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste and stir it well. After frying the ginger garlic paste, I'm going to add the chicken into it and sauteing the chicken. I'm going to add salt, then turmeric and the red chili powder into it and stir it. Once the chicken is sauteed, I'm going to add a little water and pressure cook the chicken till it cooks for 1 or 2 whistles. So I'm going to tell you a tip. This Gongura is sour in taste, so we should not add this Gongura before cooking the chicken. I mean boiling the chicken. So always once the chicken is cooked, then add the Gongura and saute it nicely. I'm going to open the cooker and see how my chicken is cooked. Yes, this is cooked well and boiled. Now I'm going to just add the leaves into it and keep it in a low flame and stir it well. We no need to chop these leaves. Once they are boiled, they become soft and they mix with the chicken very well. See this, within a minute it became soft. The gravy is almost done. I'm going to plate it. My Gongura chicken is ready and I mixed it with basmati rice and I'm going to taste it. Superb it is. Please try at home and then let me know your comments also, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.